is a statue 1.6 meter tall. Okay, a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. It is stand on a top of a pedestal. So pedestal is nothing but a base. It is made up of what? Bricks. Okay, so example, let us consider Ambedkar circle. You know Ambedkar circle. On that Ambedkar and base of the Ambedkar circle, there is a base, there is a made up of bricks. On that there is a statue of Ambedkar. So first we have to make a base of that. So that base is called what? Pedestal. So okay, so here what we have. So first let us go for pedestal. So let us consider here is the pedestal. Okay, this is the pedestal. This is the pedestal. On the pedestal we have a statue. Okay, this is the statue. This is the statue. AB is the statue. AB is the statue. BC is the pedestal, and this is the ground. So D is the point on the ground, and they said that statue is 1.6 meter tall. So here is the statue. Height of the statue is given here. So height of the statue, that is AB, is equal to 1.6 meter, and height of pedestal, that is BC, that is H, is equal to question mark. Here is the H. So this H is the question mark. Okay, so now this is the D is the point on the ground. Okay, this is the D is the point on the ground. From this point there is an angle of elevation will be given. Point on the ground. So the point on the ground, from the point on the ground, the angle of elevation at the top of the statue. Okay, so here is the A is called top of the statue. Okay, 60 degree. From the same point, the angle of elevation at the top of the pedestal. Okay, so B is called the top of the pedestal. Okay, so first angle of elevation at the top of the statue, that is the 60 degree, and the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree over C. My diagram is completed. It is similar diagram to the previous question. Both the diagrams are same here. Only difference is what? That is what here 60 degree 45 degree angle is same. Only the top of the means height of the statue is given, and height of the pedestal we have to find out. So here also we will go for the same way to solve this problem. Here I will take the X. Okay, X I am going to take. So I will go for now here triangle first. What is the name of the triangle? First, which triangle should go? There is a triangle BCD. So here is a triangle BCD. This is the angle 45 degree. This is the B and C. Here D. So what is the height here? This is H is the height, and this is the X. So in triangle BCD, tan theta, we know that tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. So tan 45, perpendicular here H, base is X. So tan 45 is 1 is equal to H by X. This X multiplies, so X is equal to what? H. This is completed. The next triangle we should take now. The next triangle we have in triangle ABACD. Whole triangle we should take. ACD triangle. So in this triangle we have height and base. So here A, C and D. So this is ACD. This is called X. Tell me, what about the AC? Yes, 1.6 plus H, exactly correct. So that is what here, angle is 60 degree here. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. So theta is 60 degree. Perpendicular here 1.6 plus H divided by X. So tan 60 is root 3. 1.6 plus H divided by X. In the place of X, I will write here h. Why? Because I know that x is equal to what? H. This I know that. So now you have to multiply here. H into root 3 is become what? Root 3h is equal to 1.6 plus h. H transpose. So root 3h minus h is equal to 1.6. So root 3h, h is common. H common means root 3 minus 1 will be remaining is equal to 1.6. Now still answer we have to do that. What we should do now here? Here we have to cross multiply. So here I will continue. So h is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. Okay. Now here root 3 minus 1 we have. So we have to go for the rationalizing. Rationalizing we have to do that. 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So h is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1. Denominator we have root 3 minus 1 and root 3 plus 1. So that is nothing but a minus b into a plus b. So that is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. So h is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 whole divided by that root and square cancel. So that is become 3 only. So 3 minus 1. H is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. When you divide by 2, what will get answer? 0.8 into root 3 plus 1, and that is the final answer.